Hey guys, today we are unboxing these sleeping headphones that you could use to when you're having trouble falling asleep and need to listen to some music. So let's get to unboxing. So it actually comes with some instructions to connect the Bluetooth headband. So what you need to do is turn on Bluetooth on your device, turn on the headband Bluetooth, and then connect it, and it's easy as 1, 2, 3 to connect it. It also is washable, so you can unzip the headband and you have to push out the controller panel and you take out the speakers and you can wash it in the machine or hand wash it. And to charge it, you could use an the LED connection or the USB cable or PC to continue to charge and use this product. So the overall quality of it is exactly just like a headband to have your hair back, so you don't get like your hair oils in your face. So it's actually really helpful skin wise, and it feels like stretchy and comfortable, and overall I really like the feeling of this. To power it on, all you have to do is press this button right here. Okay, right here there's a speaker. I don't know if you could hear it, but so I don't, if the audio did not pick that up, it did say power on. So all you need to do is you need to grab your iPhone here, and it says H046, and you could connect it. And all you have to do is, once it's connected, you could play any music that you want. So let's go on and put on some music to see if this works. And I'm playing some calming music here, and let's test out these buttons. So this right here lowers the volume, and this right here like turns it louder. And you could switch the song to the next song with this button right here. And here's the inside where you could take it out. These right here where the speakers are. There's one speaker right here and one speaker right here. So you put those like near or directly on your ears to listen to it, and that is the overall product.